In addition to importing course details, CTEIS allows you to import student data from a student management system as well. To set up your import files, it is recommended that you review the importing guides and header templates available on the CTEIS website at www.cetis.com. Often, your IT staff can help you to create the files that fit the CTEIS specifications described in the online importing guides. When you are ready to import your student details, go to the Data Entry menu and click on Student, Course, and Enrollment Import. Locate the building you wish to import your student records into and click the graphical button in the corresponding row. Beneath the Import Students header, choose your import file, and then click the button labeled Import Records. CTEIS will read the information from your import file and place it into a temporary table for you to review. The S, E, and G symbols in the Upload Type column indicate if CTEIS is updating your student, enrollment, or grade information. To complete the import of your student records, click the Process Students/Enrollments button beneath the temporary table. After importing your student details, it is important to verify that your information is complete and accurate. Student enrollments are often placed into the default subsection A of a course, so it is especially important to review the subsections and segments that your students are set to receive. Browsing Manage Enrollments or viewing your building reports are two effective ways of gauging the success of your import. Click on Manage Enrollment to learn how to add student enrollments into your course sections.